Day 39 of Trump's civil fraud trial. The focus is on Frederick Chin, a real estate expert, and on gag orders challenge. The ongoing trial is currently focused on determining the amount of damages, as Judge Engoron has already ruled that Donald Trump's financial statements were fraudulent. In a recent court filing, Trump's lawyer requested permission to appeal the reinstatement of the gag orders to the Albany-based Court of Appeals. The lawyer argued that the gag orders violated Trump's First Amendment rights. However, a judge denied Trump's request for an expedited appeal, giving the state attorney general's office until December 11 to respond. Trump failed attempt to challenge gag orders. Former U.S. President Donald Trump seeks permission to appeal a decision reinstating gag orders in his New York civil fraud case to the state's highest court. Justice Arthur Engoron imposed a gag order on Trump on October 3, prohibiting him from publicly discussing court staff, after Trump shared a photo on social media falsely claiming that the judge's top law clerk, Allison Greenfield, was Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer's girlfriend. The post resulted in numerous threats from Trump supporters, according to Engoron. Trump's lawyer's statements about Engoron's staff were also restricted by a separate order. Although an appeals court judge temporarily paused the gag orders on November 16, they were reinstated by a mid-level state appeals court last Thursday. Engoron has already fined Trump $15,000 for violating the gag order twice, with the possibility of harsher penalties, including imprisonment, for future violations. Trump, who is considered the frontrunner for the 2024 Republican nomination, is accused of inflating his net worth to deceive lenders and insurers. In the evening, the New York Appellate Court decisively informed Donald Trump's legal team that they missed the deadline to seek permission for an expedited review of their request to challenge a gag order issued by New York Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron. Despite the defense's claim that the order is a constitutional violation, the court maintained that they missed the filing deadline for a full panel to consider the appeal this week. Developers' flexibility in valuing properties. During the hearings, a real estate valuation expert, Frederick Chin, highlighted the potential for a developer's visionary perspective to significantly enhance property value. According to Chin, Donald Trump applied an as-if investment value approach instead of relying on the current as-is market value of his properties. This approach allows developers to factor in long-term development plans when assessing property value. For instance, Chin suggested that a vacant lot in New York City with a market value of $500 million could be perceived as having an investment value of $2 billion by a developer envisioning a hotel on the property. Chin argued that developers often have more latitude than appraisers when valuing properties, considering the enterprise value of assets and the long-term impact of external factors. Judge Arthur Engoron frequently interrupted Chin's testimony. He described the approach that resulted in a $1.5 billion difference in the value of a hypothetical vacant lot as a developer's genius factor. These insights provide a nuanced perspective on Trump's valuation practices, a crucial element in the case. Trump is expected to attend the trial on Thursday. According to sources familiar with the matter, former President Donald Trump is expected to attend his civil fraud trial on Thursday. However, he is not expected to be present on Wednesday when his son Eric testifies. Trump has attended the trial for 8 out of the 39 days the court has been in session, with his last appearance being on November 6 when he testified as the last state witness. He is scheduled to testify on Monday, December 11, as the final witness in the case. Thanks for watching. If you like it, comment and hit the like and share buttons. Subscribe for future videos.